This will be moderate, so you can just choose moderate. So I'll just choose moderate. And this one for the rate reducing sign, so I'll just click here. So this one is rate down arrow, and I'll choose your number, and I'll choose your number. So this one to only be more than 0. So I'll click here and I'll choose more than 0, not greater than equal to, it's just greater than only, and I press OK. So now you get to have the numbering and so on. So this one, the name will be monthly sales. This will be month on month trending, okay, in the form of percentage, and over here will be year to date sales. Okay, the year to date, that means following the particular period. So let me just auto fit everything. Okay, there you go, looks better. So this one, so I want to remove the fill header. So right now what you're looking right now is, if you see carefully, here we do have, maybe let me put center align. So this one is basically inventory sales data analysis. So we are analyzing the inventory sales. So let me just change to dark blue and white color font, bold, and over here we get to know the top 10 customers, top 10 customers sales. And last one is we get to know actually, so this one, so I will merge month on month per sales performance. Alright, so there you go. And let me just click a slicer. So pivot table analyze, insert slicer. I'll choose maybe for product group, okay, and then maybe I'll choose go to the, okay, maybe I go to all, and then maybe I want to choose by industry and also by region, and I'm gonna press OK. Alright, so there you go. So here we have several. This one I want to make it 3 columns because we have 3. So 3 columns. Let me just insert the row. Okay, so here you go, and let me just adjust accordingly. Okay, so here you go. Here we have environmental. I think we have a very long name, and here we only have 2 industries. So insert slicer and 2 slices only, and there you go. So this one, let me just put this accordingly. Okay, power company, and then the final one is for region. So region, up to you. So maybe I have about, you can change accordingly. So I'll just put here 3, and let me just adjust the size. Or maybe I'll just can put 2 or 4 also can, maybe 5 or so will be good. Let me just change this. Okay, reference valid. Okay, so let me click here, slicer, and adjust to 5. Alright, so now it looks a bit better, although it's like cramped, but we can just adjust accordingly. So maybe this one, I'll just go a little bit. Okay, so this one, so a little bit. And there you go. So maybe not too cramped, but okay, not too bad. So let me just zoom out a little. Okay, maybe I'll just okay, oh, Middle East is too small. Alright, and maybe I'll just expand on. Okay, now it looks better, right? So let me just adjust the size. So I'll just select all these, go to slicer and change to dark blue, and this one here I'll go to the view and I will remove the grid lines. So this thing over here, I'll just select all, right click, report. Okay, maybe I'll just click one by one. So here, report connection, and I need to tick all this. This is also the same thing, right click, report connection. Because otherwise, because if just say I press Africa, what happen is only this one changes, this one doesn't change. So right click, report connection, and tick all the boxes. Alright, so what happened is, if you look carefully, when I click Africa, what happened is it changes. We have Algiers, we have Yaoundé, we have Mamito, and so on. When I click Americas, okay, we have Toronto, APAC, okay, Seremban Exploration, Europe, and then we have Middle East, okay, oil and gas, and then power companies, Yeah, so basically this is how you can actually understand the data. So this is what we have the data and so on, how you can play around and so on. All right, so yep, there you go, and this is how you can actually understand the data. So if just say you want to understand for oil and gas who is the highest and so on, it's up.